In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on ADA future while examining Cardano cost gauge for 2023 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to believe this and some other expectation tentatively, since foreseeing anything is a difficult undertaking, not to mention foreseeing the fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like ADA. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive profound into the Cardano value expectation and answer questions in the event that Cardano is a wise venture or not. For what reason will ADA succeed or fall flat, or for what reason will ADA value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what is Cardano and its to-date history. You can purchase, exchange, and stake Cardano on many trades, including the main stages like eToro, Saxo, Coinbase, and Binance. What is Cardano? Cardano is a decentralized organization based on blockchain innovation that likewise has its own coin named ADA. Notwithstanding the well-known Cardano digital money, the Cardano network empowers brilliant agreements and decentralized applications on its harmless to the ecosystem programming, while at the same time keeping up with the security gave by comparative blockchain. Cardano value forecasts the entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its untouched high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of immense industry players into the situation, the horizon is dim and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely unsafe play, and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a common and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and basic evaluation of each venture. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other exclusive elements created in our crypto lab. 2023-05-20 plus 3.73% $0 3745 2023-05 21 plus 0.27% $0 3620 2023 05 22 0.32% $0 3598 2023 05 232.83% $0 3508 2023 05 246.45% $0 3377 2023 05 25 plus 1.74% $0 3673 2023 05 262.51% $0 3519 2023 05 27 plus 0.63% $0 3633 2023 05 283.04% $0 3500 2023 05 292.83% $0 3508 2023 05 303.42% 34 cents Cardano value expectation 2023 high expansion and very dangerous full-scale circumstance considered vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the inward crypto issues with huge players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively really great for the bulls. We will likely see a ton of exhausting sideways cost activity with a propensity to slip lower with every minor market quake. Expectation model brings market opinion into a record and responds as needs be. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a very long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 Gen 20.89% $0 2856 2023 Jul 32.15% $0 2449 2023 AUG 22.68% $0 2791 2023 SEP 16.84% $0 3002 2023 OCT 7.17% $0 3351 2023 NAV 1.85% $0 3543 2023 DEC plus 14.89% $0 4148 2024 JAN plus 20.72% $0 4358 2024 Feb plus 24.10% $0 4480 2024 Blemish plus 33.55% $0 4821 2024 APRA plus 49.22% $0 5387 2024 May plus 54.50% 55 cents a dia value forecast 2025 our expectation model sees ADA coming to 89 cents in 2025. What will ADA be worth in 5 years? The cost of ADA in 5 years could lie around 85 cents. Cardano value expectation 2030 to 2040 what Cardano will be worth in 2030. Our anticipating model sees Cardano coming to $2.23 in 2030. What Cardano will be worth in 2040. Our gauging model sees Cardano coming to $4.47 in 2040. Will Cardano supplant, outperform, surpass Bitcoin? No, Cardano won't supplant or surpass BTC. Might Cardano at any point reach $10? Indeed, Cardano could reach $10 toward the finish of 2025. Might Cardano at any point reach $100? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Cardano to reach $100 in the short or mid-term period. Could Cardano at any point reach $1,000? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Cardano to reach $1,000 in the short or mid-term period. Is Cardano worth purchasing? We are supporters of respectably hazardous financial planning. Put the majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a bushel of enormous cap coins and the rest in little ventures with colossal potential gain. Along these lines, in this unique situation, Cardano merits purchasing. Is Cardano a wise speculation? Cardano is, very much like any remaining cryptographic forms of money, a dangerous speculation. It has higher likelihood of going up than down due to the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. What amount will Cardano be worth? For the transient future, it could reach 21 cents. In the long haul, it could leap to $2.23 or much higher. For what reason will Cardano succeed and get more expensive? Cardano has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and for that reason our expectation model sees Cardano ascending to $2.23 in 2030. For what reason will Cardano come up short and drop in cost? Crypto projects come up short because of multiple factors. Probably the most widely recognized ones are: group denounces any kind of authority and forsakes the undertaking. Controllers proclaim it unlawful and press trades to delist it. Absence of media consideration, more fruitful contenders. Absence of very much planned advertising system. Losing local area support. Possible weakness in the convention. Neglecting to accomplish expected least development action on the convention. Neglecting to draw in new engineers to expand on their foundation. How high will Cardano go? Our gauging model sees Cardano value detonating and coming to $4.47 in a far-off future. What is the transient expectation for Cardano? Cardano will reach 21 cents in the following 90 days, which is a 41.8% change over the ongoing cost, which drifts around 36 cents. Might